Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So this from Michael at Val5Links. I don't know if you guys caught the news, but Coinbase is going public very, very soon. So this article with regards to Brian Armstrong's shareholdings with regards to Coinbase. He is the CEO of Coinbase. So Brian Armstrong owns roughly 3.96 million shares in Coinbase, which comes to approximately $14 billion. The data comes from the exchange's prospectus. Coinbase will be listed sometime in April. So that is the deadline there. And here's a Coinbase tweet. As we prepare for our proposed direct listing, we want a process where all investors, regardless of affiliation or size, have equal access to information. So the official Coinbase account here retweeted out Brian Armstrong's tweet with regards to some investor videos, if you guys are interested in that. Coinbase IPO coming in hot. Coinbase announced in January of 2021 that it would opt for a direct listing instead of an IPO. The highly anticipated public launch has set the media ablaze, and analysts believe that this will give the crypto market some clout. And that's ultimately what I'm thinking too. The fact that these guys are coming out with stocks, that is definitely going to give the crypto market, for institutional investors that aren't in it yet, this will definitely make them do a double take, if not a triple take possibly in some cases, of the crypto market. And so we're going to see the money pouring in, guys, not only in these cryptocurrency related companies, in this case Coinbase, on the stock market, but also into the crypto market. I mean, 1.8 trillion, I believe, is just the beginning. We are going to see more money piling into this thing, and really the sky is the limit. So choosing direct listing means that there is no lockup period for shares, which means Armstrong can sell it whenever he pleases. Private sales have put the stock at an average price of about $343, according to the prospectus. He received $60 million in compensation in the year 2020. Real quick, guys, if you guys still don't know, I am giving away 2 ledgers, an S and an X, on April 1st, but we got to hit 70,000 subscribers. So guys, if you're not subscribed, subscribe now, and you will be eligible to win a free ledger on April 1st. All right, let's get back to it. Not only is Coinbase proposed to list, we also have Robinhood, and they have confirmed that they have also filed an application with the SEC for an IPO. This is another one from Michael at Val5Links. So Robinhood, the now much aligned trading app, has confidentially filed a draft registration statement for an IPO. The story was first reported by Bloomberg, and here's a tweet from Vlad Tenev. We have confidentially submitted our draft registration statement on Form S1 with the SEC. This tweeted out just yesterday. So Coinbase, Robinhood, of course, Robinhood was very popular for that GameStop incident, but it is also a popular app that you can buy cryptocurrency on, and it's very popular with a younger generation. So if we start to see these companies go public, this again is going to add more fuel to the cryptocurrency fire, all while XRP price is being suppressed, at least at the moment. But guys, I wanted to mention this from MICHAELMANFIELD here. Last month, it acquired Hong Kong's Unicard Solutions, joining the likes of PayPal, Alipay, and WeChat as a stored value facilities license under the territory's payment regulations. This with regards to Airwallex, which is a Ripple partner. So Airwallex has raised a valuation of $2.6 billion on 100 million Series D extension. Fintech payment platform Airwallex has increased its valuation to about $2.6 billion. With the capital that they raised, the $100 million extension lifts Airwallex's Series D funding to about $300 million. The latest tranche followed its initial Series D round in April 2020 during the pandemic, and a $40 million top-up in September of 2020. The new funding has been led by US-based investment firm Green Oaks, with participation by Australia-based Grok Ventures, Skip Capital, and Anzi Ventures. To date, Melbourne-based Airwallex has achieved nearly $500 million in equity funds raised. So again, Airwallex, a Ripple partner, for those of you guys who did not know this from nearly a year ago now. Ripple partner Airwallex raises $160 million for payment solutions, and I think this was Series D. Yes, and this funding round was by Anzi Ventures back from 11 months ago. So just to put things into perspective there, guys, I also saw this from Wrath of Kahneman. This month, Ripple partner SABB completed their merger with Alawwal Bank, creating the 3rd largest bank retaining the SABB name. It presumably makes their remittance vehicle available to the newly integrated 4.5 thousand corporate clients and 500,000 retail customers. So SABB, which is the Saudi Arabia British Bank, and Alawwal Bank completed their historic merger on March 14th, with all products and services now combined for customers. The integration saw the best for both institutions brought together into an entrenched position designed around the growth ambitions for a transforming kingdom. And so here's a quote from the chair of SABB. Today marks the completion of our integration, but we remain determined to continue delivering on our promise to celebrate a better bank for our customers, our shareholders, our employees, and for our country. As a stronger, more diverse, and more fully integrated bank, we are even better positioned to be the bank of choice for a wide range of innovative banking and finance services, and to support the exciting transformation of the kingdom of our economy. And so this, again, from SABB, the Saudi Arabia British Bank, another Ripple partner. Wanted to thank the Wrath of Kahneman for posting that. And so recently we've been bombarded in crypto Twitter with the hashtag relist XRP, and it has become a movement to a degree. Well, guys, I caught this. XRP lover here on Twitter posted this in response to Coinbase's AMA that they did on the 17th that apparently is going to be airing sometime soon. But here's what he's thinking here. I think Bitstamp is thinking of relisting XRP because the USD pairs for XRP are back. So I don't use Bitstamp personally, but, when the SEC lawsuit dropped, as you guys may know, many different exchanges decided to delist XRP, at least temporarily, halting the trading for XRP. But, of course, in the back of their heads, they knew that they would have to relist XRP, but for the time being, and some exchanges just took away XRP support altogether, while other exchanges still allowed you to hold your XRP on the exchange. Well, Bitstamp apparently removed their USD XRP trading pair, and XRP Lover is saying, look, it's back. Bowie Boy here saying, interesting, did you see this? Retweeting out Eki's tweet here, Bitstamp, also possible. So due to scheduled infrastructure upgrades, trading withdrawals and deposits at Bitstamp will be temporarily unavailable today, guys, Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. Now, the upgrades were scheduled to occur from about 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't know by the time this video is published if that will be finished. But this is what's happening at Bitstamp, and XRP Lover also noting that the USD XRP trading pairs are back. Could this be an inclination that we are on the precipice of a lot of these exchanges relisting XRP? Because as soon as one starts listing, it's a snowball effect in reverse, right? When the first one halted the trading of XRP back in December or January or whenever it was, basically after the SEC announced the Ripple lawsuit, they all kind of fell in line, right? We heard about another exchange, and then another exchange, and then another exchange, and price kept going down and down and down for Ripple's XRP. And so that was around this period here, right? We saw price plummeting. The lawsuit was announced in and around here. Price dropped. More exchanges started delisting. Of course, XRP reached critical support down here, bounced back up as a reactive measure, and then came right back down through January, as you guys remember, as more exchanges continued to delist XRP. And then this was the time that the pump group hit. This is an anomaly here on the chart, but this was the time the pump group started pumping the price. And the good news for XRP, at least, is that we have been holding above critical support, so above where we were back in December and January. But anyway, just back to my point, could we see this happening in reverse? Could we see once one exchange starts relisting XRP, the other ones start following suit? And I think that will likely be the case. So to this point, Michael also posted this. Ripple fintech behemoth has wired 746 million XRP to some exchanges. Now, this gets interesting. So Whale Alert Crypto Trackers reported that in the past 8 hours, Ripple has made 2 transactions on the XRP ledger, moving a total of 746 million XRP. Binance US, one of the major exchanges that suspended XRP trading, Bitso, a major Ripple ODL partner in Latin America, and a few other exchanges transferred 70 million tokens. Now, Binance.us is the one that I'm really interested in looking at, because it was one of those major exchanges that suspended XRP trading. And there are more people who noticed this, namely XRP Crypto Wolf. XRP can only be sent to Binance US by Binance US themselves. Customers can't send or trade XRP. So this coming from the Whale Alert here, 30 million XRP worth roughly $17 million US was transferred from an unknown wallet to Binance.us. Now, it does say here from an unknown wallet to Binance.us, and sure, Binance can send themselves XRP, meaning that basically if you live in the United States, you cannot trade XRP on Binance, not as of yet, but it looks like they are also preparing for something. We'd be very remiss if we forgot about the XRP rich list and took into account the 0.01% of the top accounts here, okay? Right now the threshold is at over 16.9 million XRP. Of course, this does include some exchanges, but take a look at the sell-offs, right? If you look around the SEC lawsuit, all of the accounts in the, from 10% even all the way up to the 0.1 or the 0.2%, those sell-offs were far more drastic than the 0.01%, i.e. whales, institutional money, and exchanges alike. Now look at the trends for XRP as of late over and around here. The trend has been going up, whereas, the other accounts have been relatively flat. So again, retail investors versus institutional whales. All going back to this point here about Binance US sending XRP either to themselves or someone else sending XRP to Binance.us, a trading platform that has currently halted the trading of XRP for US investors. Let me scroll down here just to get some insight on what other people are thinking, probably selling it to whales OTC before relisting it. The rich will stay richer. Do you think Binance would sell to whales OTC? I suppose it is a possibility. Rue Williams down here saying, cause they, Binance US, are about to sell it to all the people buying in after relisting. And, the price of XRP is still moving, even though these exchanges in the United States have halted the trading. So could it be that they are waiting strategically for some FOMO to kick in, relist XRP, get in on that surge? Could they possibly know some or be privy to some information that we do not know as retail traders? Because there are always going to be mumblings in the industry as to where the lawsuit is going, if Ripple's likely going to win the case or not. I mean, we do our own research, but I'm sure that people on the inside are letting these exchanges know too how well the chances are of Ripple succeeding in this, and basically they're just prepping themselves to relist XRP right away. The Archer says they're sending it to have XRP for withdrawals from the peeps who still have their XRP on Binance. That's an interesting thing to know too, to play devil's advocate, right? If people still have their cryptocurrency on the exchange, their XRP, then, they are going to need to have the ability to pay out their XRP at some point. So is a relisting on the horizon, guys? By looking at some of these cryptocurrency movements, it does seem like there is some interesting activity going on. The price of XRP is still suppressed in my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. We need to hit 70,000 by March 31st. We've only got a few days left, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe now. You could be the winner of a Ledger Nano S or X. I'm giving one away on April 1st, and like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.